super nice, like D&G dress. Super nice. Ito yung, you can wear every day. Nasisi, doesn't need, yung parang occasion for you to wear this. The print, magagamit ko yun sa lakad ko. Uy, sana all ha. Sindan mo ulit ako ng picture. There you go. So we have 3 colors to choose from, or 3 designs to choose from. Dami mo na CCK. So you will be getting, so if you want very relaxed and carefree lamang po, so ayan siya kung ayaw niyang lagyan ng belt, 2 side pockets. Sisters, kasha to hanggang 2XL. The good thing about it, hindi siya masyadong malaki yung armhole, as you can see. There. So kahit small, medium, large ang magsuot, carry lang. Believe me, CCY, mayroon din siyang belt na kasama. Meron din siyang belt na kasama. There. So I have an admin na naka-duty, sisters, now ha. Pag may inquiry kayo, chat the page. Pag di nila masakot, I'll be the one to take over later after live. Thank you po. There you go. So, that's the bow. Ako po yung 5'4". If you think it's too long for you, you can have it altered. CC, madali itong ipa-alter. But I don't think so. Kasi ganyan na siya sa akin. We have 4 designs to choose from. Ang suot ko, CC, we will be using DG for this again. Okay, sisters? So, we have DG Dance.
No, color na lang. White, pink.
Oh, G nga. Ito, white.
Wait. White, pink.
White, pink, brown. Ay, ito, pink. Gusto mo pink?
Ano ba? Pink.
Pink. Ito.
Green. Ano ba? Dami siyang green din.
Okay, green. And then this one is brown. So, DG white, seller's choice. Kaya po sinuot ng inyong tindera. If you will be taking a good look sa kanyang fabric, it's linen CC organic. Then the print is parang woman dancing. There you go. Very nice. Very, very nice. It's like fairies dancing. Something like that. Then we have, ito po yun. Ito yung belt niya CC. Parang ito naman ay ganyan ang print niya CC. Very nice. Look at this. So this is the green one. Then we have the pink one. Floral naman siya, obviously. And then the brown is birds. Alright, free delivery to your doorstep. I'll be wearing all the colors. DGCC. You know what? Ito po ay 849 lang. Hanggang bahay nyo na yan. 849. I'm wearing white. DG white. DG white.
Hi, Ninong Karen. What's this? Madami.
So we have...
See my message. Meron ako inquiry. Copy, Ma'am Karen.
Alright. So we have... Remove that na. So the first one is cream. DG cream. DG white pala yun. 849.
Napasarap ng tulog. Ninang Kata, PL Sweater Navy, yours po. Ganda. Ninong flex kay si Karen, NBA, damay-damay na. Sige na.
You see, this is the green color, sisters.
Ay mga pala siya, ang Ninang Kata nga, ang Ninang Karen nga pala lagi naghanap ng essential. This one, Ninang
So
Karen.
today we have NBA Essential. This is premium CC. It's a premium one. Mirror copy yung kinuha na natin na shop. And we don't usually go there. Kapag lang talaga, pag may nagustuhan, hindi talaga ako saka nagustuhan si Bebe Mon. So this is one of those. Magkano lang si NBA Essential? 1599. There is a QR code underneath mga CC ng top. You can have it scanned. Makikita nyo na it's OG. Very nice,
Ay, pwede yung scan ngayon, no?
Yes, sister.
Pwede yung scan, mga madam.
Ganun na pala sila ngayon. There you go. So this one, so we have NBA gray and NBA black. Very
Big
nice.
size
The
to, mga
fabric,
madam.
10 out of 10. If your Lovey Dubs is large XL, pwede din ito sa medium. Medium large XL, no? Alright. For only 1599. Thank you, guys.
2XL body fit. Pwede din.
Oh, 9.5.
Na?
Code for this one, Sisi, ang ganda nito. DG Green. Itong suot ko, green. Sorry na po ha. We'll be basing sa color since may mga leafy dyan. The dress is linen, CC. Organic linen. You love it. Napakaganda po ng fabric. I'll choose linen today. Yan, ganyan siya. CC, tinan nyo naman kung gano'n naman siya ka-pretty. Free delivery to your doorstep. So that is, the one that I just wore is the green color. Ito po ay may tagging na local shop, nakalagay made in Thailand. When it comes to linen, talagang Thailand yan, sisi.
Thank you, Ninang Karen. MM sa NBA.
Okay, next one. Thank you very much, sisi. Maraming salamat. Next, we have the brown color. This one is fit up to 2XL. Pwede, sisi. Pwede po. CC, 849 pesos only. Free delivery to your doorsteps.
Ma'am Rica sa NBA, it's 1599. 1599 po. Promise. Mirror copy po siya talaga. Yung tela, yung tatak, yung rubberize niya, yung ganda.
Hi, Sisi Jackie. Sure. Have you received your first box? Sige, Sisi, may mga items ka pa din dito. Okay. Palista si Miss Jackie Jack. I'll handle that one. Thank you, Sisi. There you go. So this is the brown color. Ganda ng brown. And lastly would be the pink color. Pink color. Ano pang hindi ko na...
How much the dress?
849. Pasuyo ko ng ano?
849 lang po sa dress, madam.
Ng post ko, Beb. Kung ano pa hindi ko na-flex sa post ko. I-tell it to Joanna.
This one. There. Next dress.
Ha?
Next dress.
Next dress. And this one is the pink color. DG Pink. Free delivery to your house. Da-da-da. Last call for this one. It fits up to 2XL frame. We have the DG Pink, DG Brown, linen, local brand nakalagay made in Thailand. We have the green and we have the white. Free delivery to your doorstep. Yung SC shirt in RL color. Okay. Sisi,